If we end up on the same side, just call out picks.
Yeah.
All right, talk through them.
You want me to stay high, you stay low, or me stay low?
Yeah, I'm blowing up everything, so stay on your man, okay? And if I can, I'll yell switch. That's you. Match up, match up. I got backside. Get up. Clay, Clay, good, go, push, push. I got reverse. Hey, pick up, I'm out.
Here we go, one.
Pick up. Go out, Yee. Pick. I'm with you. I'm in. Pick. I'm out. Get out. You're under. Go, legs. Yep, I'm over.
Hey, one here.
Yep, I'm in. Yep. Danny, coming, Danny.
He ran our goalie. 2 trying to bench press him. Just go!
There you go.
What'd you take, Jack 3D?
I took a lot of pressure.
Yeah, that's it.
Do not take your foot off the gas, boys. We're playing well. Defense has the long run.
Match up! I got reverse with you.
Come on, baby.
Hey, Jun. Pick, Yee!
Up.
9-7, that might be the biggest helmet I've ever seen. I know it ain't covering your brain.
Fucking Mega Mind.
Come on, Mega Mind.
Give me Neutron. That dude must be smart.
I hope so. Carry that. I'm up. Match up here. You're high. You're good. I'm out. Pick, get over. Pick. I'm here. You gotta be stronger than that. That was a flop. Come on, dog. Hey, match up. I got reverse. Working, aye. Match up! Match up! Match up! Help over here, help, help, help! Help, go help! Just slough in. I got coming in.
I'll fuck you up, don't you that. No, you won't.
Watch out, Danny. There you go, Danny. There you go, Danny. Leave me hanging.
Deal for dime. Deal for dime.
Put me on the score sheet. I don't want a score sheet.
Hey!
Oh, yeah,
Hey, Rogers, look at that ball.
You good, big dog? You good?
Fine, we're good.
I just didn't want you to have to run over. I'm with you, I'm with you. Stay high, Yee, stay high. Pick him up. Pick right, Danny.